Hey guys, this is Juan from Sketch2React, and I've been meaning to do this for a while. Create a very simple, straightforward tutorial from scratch, very basic, so you see how I use Sketch2React. So this is a lengthy one, so grab a cup of coffee and just watch.
So how do we start? I created a page called Assets, and I'm pasting some images here from a plugin called Unsplash-It. It's really awesome. Just draw a rectangle and fill it with images, and it's really cool. Then I made another page called Design Stuff here. We can design our stuff here, and then we have Start here, which is the page which will render in our preview app. So right now we don't have anything here. So first we have some cool imagery here, and the thing is, if this is going to work inside of our preview app, we need to export these images and re-import them. So let's do that later. Don't forget that. So let's just take one of the templates, the mobile template we can have. Let's try that one. My goal is to do this as quick as possible, so it doesn't take so much time. So we will do something really simple. So maybe your workflow could be something like this. Let's put it here, paste this one here. It's a really big image, and maybe we want to do this, make it darker. Let's just try and do stuff like this. Maybe we want to have a mask it and make it darker. So let's make a mask. Let's duplicate this one actually, and take away the fill, make it black, or by this color there, and then we can do something like this. Maybe it's nice with our color here. Yes, it's nice. Let's do something like this. So we have something here, a really big image. Let's group this one and call it, let's check it out. So we need to call this one, we want this to be a background, so this is the CSS for background. You can copy this one here. We will need to do some other stuff, but we can do that later. Let's rename that one background, like that. And this will not work. Let's try it out. Let's try it out, and we can put it in tutorials. Let me create something here from scratch. We can call this one scratch and assets. From scratch. So like that, and we could just try this, copy this one here just to show you. This one needs to be renamed Start. Start is the first one. Let's save that one. Let's go to our previewer app thingy. Bloop. It's here. And let's find the file. Check it out. It's really big because the image is huge. We have a lot of images. I will show you how to make this much smaller, but just try something out here. Of course, nothing works. because we need to take this one, export it, and re-import it. But now is the cool thing here. We should export this one as a really big one. So we can go here to Assets and re-import it like that. It's monstrously big right now. Let's take away these ones so the file doesn't get so big. Make this one exportable, and we should make it JPEG, maybe like that. Let's call that one PG. We go here, and we should actually just take this one away. Let's do this. Here we can import it again. There it is, and it's pretty big. So let's use tiny PNG, which compresses also JPEGs. This is important to do. This is really important to do. Compressing images, because if you don't do this, your HTML when exported is going to be huge. Let's just take a break and be right back. Okay, so I exported and run it through TinyPNG, and it's imported again, and it's much smaller now. 360, still big, but let's do this. This is the original one. We can throw it away. This is the imported one, and let's do something cool here. Let's copy this one to start here. Paste it. It's really big, as you can see. What we need here is a container fluid element. So we need one of these ones with view height 100. So let's just copy this text. Let's group this one and paste this thing here. Now let's try this out again. Go here, nothing happened here, it's blank, but it will not be blank for much more. Boom! Did you see that? Really nice. So it has the view height 100, so it stretches like this. It's awesome. How cool is this? You know, this is really cool. Boom! A good beginning. Okay, so let's put in some text content. I use Sky Fonts. As you know, we can embed Google Fonts and stuff like that. So let's be smart here and use Sky Fonts. And where is Sky Fonts? I cannot see it. Where the hell is it? I have so much things up here. It's a mess. Where are you, Sky Fonts? Maybe it's starting up, actually. Too much stuff here. There. Okay, I installed these ones. Embed the Fatface Regular and Railway. They work really well together. So let's take Embed the Fatface Regular. Let's make a text element. And if you want to be lazy, but we are not lazy, let's not use the ones from the from the demo documents. Let's just do this from scratch. That's what's the name of this tutorial. So type something. Okay, let's type something. Let's make this white or something. gray, maybe like that. Call this amazing adventure, like that. Let's copy this one and take, what was it called now? Beep, beep, beep. Railway. Okay, so let's do some paragraph text here. It's too big, of course. Let's go down like that and take a railway. Boomshi, boomshi. Black. No, we don't want to have black. We want maybe have to have medium. And so let's type something. Are you ready? Ready? God damn it! Ready for the adventure of your life. Like that. Cool. Boom shakalak. Let's save this. Okay, so we have two elements, and if we want these to be in our layout, we can just try, and I will show you what happened right now. Nothing happens right now because we haven't named them correctly. So let's go back and let's name them. How is it supposed to be? Yes, you can go to this document here and just copy this word. It doesn't even need to be like that. You can do like this. Amazing adventure, and it needs to be in here. Like that. Boom. Put it there. Now nothing will happen. Or, I mean, let's check it out what happens right now. This is interesting. So, exactly. You have them up there. Maybe that is fine. Maybe it's not fine. So what we need to do here is tell the document and put these into a grid. So let's do that. Maybe we want to have a button. We love buttons, don't we? So let's take a button. Give me a button, god damn it. I will steal this one. I can take this one, it works. Take that one and we put it here. Like that. This will not go to anywhere right now. Take that away and call go ahead, press me. Like that. Let's just do this, something like that. Actually, this doesn't even matter because you set all these things up with paddings and stuff. So let's do that. So right now, let's mark this one. Let me have a break. I need some coffee. Be right back. Cool. Back again. Okay. I don't want this to be pink, so don't want to be pink. So we go in here and we can also set the color of the hover thingy. Let's just make it. What do we have here? We have, okay, maybe we can do it blue. Let's make it blue, bluish. Let's take that one and just make it that, and it's not blue, it's more purple, but let me just, maybe we can do something like that. Like that, and the hover is okay. We need to do like this, hide these ones because exactly. So go ahead and press me. Awesome. Let's make some grid elements here, grid folders and stuff. We have 1, 2, 3, columns, you can call them. 3 rows, or it could be 1 row. I will show you how. So let's generate grid structure. So okay, on mobile we want this to be stacked like this. So in my head, 3 rows we have here. We can have, 3 columns, and we have 1 row. So on large and medium, we could, for example, go and put this like that and that like that, and maybe like that. Here we can have, say, 16. We can change all of this. Maybe 32 actually. Really big padding. It's nice. 32, 16. Not like that. Boom. This container element needs to be inside the container fluid. So, and let's check it out. We have 1 row there, and let's start putting stuff. So we want the amazing adventure thingy to be on top. So it needs to be here. You see? It shows us that you need to order things from here up here. So let's take this one and put it here. Boom. Let's take, then we want to, are you ready for blah 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 adventure of your life? That one comes and needs to be there, and the button comes and needs to be there because we, what? No, not that. I mean the button. So now we have blah 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 blah. Let's check this out. I don't have a clue how this is going to be, but this is the awesome thing about this. You can iterate this until you get gray hair. I have a lot of gray hair actually. Ah, okay, interesting. Okay, so cool, yeah. So we have it stacked here. So it's not centered, but it's doesn't matter right now. I'm just showing you. And here it's really weird. Maybe we should change that, or maybe not. We could, for example, do like this. Let's say that. Let me think a bit. I need to pause a minute and think. Cool, I'm back. So first of all, we should maybe. This is okay. Let's say that we want to change the margin top here. So let's go to this one, and so the margin top, the MT, should be, we say maybe 40, 32, like that. Let's check it out. So we have a bit of more margin there. That. And maybe we want to everything to be centered. Then if we go to our documentation, alignment, we need to have this one inserted into everything that we want to be centered. Exactly, we need to have that one first. So let's do like that, and let's do like that, and let's put that one there also. Let's check it out. So everything is centered. Nice. Like that. Then we have some really cool stuff. We have media queries, responsive classes. Let's check those out. The responsive classes here. So, for example, I would want to push down the content on larger desktop size and stuff. So, for example, we will need this one, MQ, LG, and the margin. So let's take this one. Now it should be margin top instead, but let's just copy this one. And let's try this out. So let's try this one out. Margin MQ is his. Let's put this one there. Margin. Let's put this one. So say that we want the margin top to be instead MT, and let's make it like 80 or something. Let's just try this one out and see what happens. This is how it is, you know, you need to just try again. It's the only way to learn this. So, you see that? This one is here. It was off, way off before. Let's just change it again and take and say it's like 100. Like that. Boom. You see? This is how easy it is to build stuff with this. You can do MIDI queries for everything. Go ahead and press me. Okay. And right now this document is huge, but it's huge because we have this one here. We could actually just take this away, actually. Delete. We have the asset here and it's good. We want the asset there. We have this one here. Now it's just 3.6 megabits. Boom. Awesome stuff. And then I will show you how to embed the fonts, etc, etc. So, I'm back. I did some other things. I changed the line height here to something smaller. And I took away the other responsive sizes for columns. So I want everything to be centered at all times. So right now it's like this. So what you do is you just take away, you know, the other sizes that were here. Just take them away, and we could decrease the size here, margin top thing, to maybe 40. Let's check this out. Like that. Like that. So here it's there like that, and here it's actually exactly, you see the changing here of the, we could actually put this one further down also on the large sizes. So let's just copy this one and put it, let me think now, media query large MT40, Exactly. So we take that one away. Just put it like that. Say we want to put 60. Let's check this out. Like that. Reload as always. Let's drag drop and boom. Nice. Really nice. That's all for me right now. This was part 1. Have a great one. Cheers.